the widest goal, and them literally can't score. What? Oh!
You know, quality content, you see me? So I try look like an idiot, but Joe Mara talk too much, so I just have to embarrass him real quick, you see me?
Wagwan sports fans, welcome back to another episode. I'm your host Jomar.
I'm Rush.
And this is This or That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best, most interesting and riveting sports topics, discussions and debates, bro.
Bro, I think it's Simon in intro. You're Jomar, I'm Rush, and this is
Simon Preston.
There we go. Alright.
Simon Preston of Reggae Boys commentary, people. And as you can see by the outfit, you get me, I say by the bad mercurial boots. Nobody zoom in too much, because them in a great shape, people. That's why I made the YouTube, so we can make some money for buy some new boots.
Watch the ad.
Watch the ad. You get me, I say, and Simon there, the ball there, so that means this or that Sports TV versus challenge.
Yeah, this is episode 2 of our versus challenge, people. Please watch all of this video, because it's going to be a good one. We're going to test Simon's skills. We're going to see a matchup. We're going to see if we're really the best YouTube football.
Because I
believe that.
Because right now in the game we know that Simon dominates the niche to an extent,
yeah.
right? As the sports media, football, Reggae Boys content, YouTube situation. But we're a part of the niche as well, right? We are a part of that, the content providers for that type of content. And we genuinely do believe that we are the best ballers in that niche for sure.
I know that for a fact.
So,
and any YouTuber out there want to challenge that, make you know.
So we are here to continue to prove that. You know, we did it against a pro last time, now we're doing it against a fellow YouTuber to just stamp our authority on the football aspect of it, right?
Alright, so the challenges that we're going to be doing, we're going to have a penalty shootout.
Yeah.
Right? And if you score a penalty, it's 1 point. Obviously if you miss, you get no point.
Yeah.
If you go off the upright or the crossbar and in, that's 3 points. And 2 points for top bins. But I feel like if you hit the bar and in, that's more than a top bins. You get me I say? Then we're going to do a one-on-one challenge. You know, if you beat Jomar inside the box, then you get 1 point. If you beat him from outside the box, then that's 2 points. And then finally, people, we're going to close off with a crossbar challenge.
And in this crossbar challenge, I will be showing my football acumen. I'll be showing that even though I wear the gloves, I keep the goal. That's just simple because I'm very, very good at it. But I can compete with them on the outfield too. So I'm going to show it in the crossbar challenge as well, right, bro?
Alright, if you hit the crossbar in the amount of tries that you get, then you get a point.
For sure.
Yeah, that's all it is. There's no 1 or 2 points. Just hit the crossbar, people. If you think you're gonna like that, stay tuned to the video. And please, like, comment, share, subscribe to This or That Sports TV and Reggae Boys commentary.
Yeah.
And I hope you enjoy this video. Alright, people, so you know how we do things from This or That Sports TV already. We're gonna decide who go first, Simon.
Alright.
And the people, if you don't watch the channel, you know what I'm going. Rock, paper, scissors, you know what I'm going. Undefeated, never lost. You know the thing, one.
Never lost.
Best of 3. Ready, Simon?
Ready. Alright.
Count it off, bro. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot, by the way.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah, man, that's how we go to work, Simon. That's just one. Don't go away, don't go away, don't go away. Yeah. Ready again? Alright, ready.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ooh!
Down to the wire.
Alright.
That's one.
Ready?
That's one.
Never lost. Ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yes,
Wow.
man.
That's okay.
So who's going first? Who's going first?
Simon, you first.
Oh, he's making time on it.
Pressure. One point, that's 1 point. Simon I got save people, but you know so we don't really got safe already. I'm gonna try tie with nobody. So, I'm gonna tap it.
So the key is to use the inside of your foot. Yeah. So that's how you use the right foot. I play football as well, you know, people, so you all know that already.
So I'm chill mind. I'm not gonna go tap it. I'm gonna try to go upright and in. Yeah. Hey, it never quite work out. I try to give my Georgina a hop. First time I ever do it in my life, I'm gonna kick my foot. You see that? I didn't even cut it out. Enjoy.
Let's try top bins and see how that goes.
I feel like Joe Mara sell it. I'm actually feel like
Change of plans last minute.
Alright people, it wasn't quite top bins. I never give myself top bins for that, but see it. Oh! People, Simon just give me redemption right ago. And I feel like I'll go safe. I think we just have to go safe and draw the room. Alright people, so I'm gonna go safe. We're gonna do a Sunday round where Simon gets one penalty kick, I get one penalty kick. Probably go for it in this round, but I couldn't lose a while ago, so I went safe.
Because of the intimidating force in goal, you know, they didn't perform as well as you think.
May I try go for it? May I try be fun? May I try go for the upright? Don't miss wide. Sorry, go part of the game.
We can put the blame on the conditions.
Yeah.
It's so hard to keep goal out of that goal mouth, brother. You know, you can't take up the social media, the pretty boy public figure, even generally want to get muddy and everything. So,
Simon 2 points. Rush 2 points. Alright, so 1-on-1 time. Outside of the box, 2 points. Inside of the box, 1 point. Let's go. We take 1 point. It's not going great. It's not going great at all. It's like if we don't go safe, we don't score. So I'm probably just going to see if we run it out. Come now and lose. We really don't want to lose. People, don't have my excuse to make up long time now. Don't have my excuse to make up long time. I wonder which excuse we go with. If we go with the ball too tough, or if we go with the field.
Ball of concrete.
Which one do you think we go with?
The ball.
Because people, I have to go with the excuse. We're so poor today. I never warm up right now. Probably go with that.
People, I swear to God, this is the widest goal I've ever kept in. The widest goal. And them literally can't score. What's going on?
Them kind of pressure me. Because they want it to look good for YouTube. You know, quality content. You see me? So I try to look like an idiot. But Joe Mara talk too much, so I just have to embarrass him real quick. You see me?
Oh, I have a score?
Yeah.
Jesus.
As I say, but tell you no, even on a bad day, we are still the best.
That's a rush or Joe, man. But I'm gonna know.
People, as I say,
I'm pretty sure if we'd have a round for win, that would have been my round.
anyways, let's be real.
Yeah, I'm talking. Very nice.
As I say, people, even on a bad day, best football YouTubers in Jamaica. Anybody want contest that come? Even on a bad day, even on a pitch like this, even with a ball like this, even without warming up, best football YouTubers.
What's that? Even with a goal mouth like that.
Challenge us.
Alright, so people, we did all the challenges, them versus me, and I think, as you guys can see, I would reign supreme in that regard. But now I'm going to show you guys my footballing skills. We're going to do a crossbar challenge, and I'm going to take the day by owning these so-called outfield footballers.
Let's run, please. Let's run. Ooh! That's awesome, bro. That's awesome. No, give them a statement. Even on a bad day.
Even on a bad day, on a bad pitch.
We have Jamaican YouTube.
We do this, people. We do this. Ooh. Oh! Lasso! Oh! Yeah. We're not gonna do like that. We're not gonna do like that. Hey, that's like 100 replay. But listen, please, you know, alright. They don't want to touch. They don't want you to touch.
Pressure, boy, pressure. Yeah.
That was clutch.
Steal the show. Get him.
Clutch Gene.
Yeah. Simon can come time.
Alright, people, that was such an exhilarating challenge. It was very fun. Safe to say, this are that sports TV reigns supreme. You know, if Simon wants a return leg, you know, we're always open. But for this one, at his home field,
Yeah. Bro, I'm going to say it again. I say it probably 10 times already. Any YouTuber want challenge this side of Sports TV. Come on, I don't care if you're a sports YouTuber, lifestyle, vlog, I don't care. Best footballers on YouTube.
Best footballers on YouTube. But people, as I said, you know, Simon, thank you so much for giving us the time, because he's a busy man.
Yeah.
You get me? So we know his time is very, very valuable. So for him to be doing this at the level that we want to get to, and take some time out, you know, to come and talk to us and play like football with it, means a lot, bro. So thanks a lot for coming on.
Thanks for having me, guys. I really appreciate it. Let's try again end of the year. Let's do a rematch, you know.
Yeah.
Alright, people, so the standings, I think, we're not going to say the standings on the screen. I think it's safe to say Rush won this one. First two rules, a bit, you know, I don't even want to talk about them. I wish we could have cut it out. But, you know, all in all, this is that Sports TV reigns supreme again. People, housekeeping, don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe to this that Sports TV.
Yeah,
but don't just share.
Reggae Boys coming through.
And Reggae Boys coming
people,
through. I have to shout them out.
When I mean, and coming from us, because we don't necessarily break news, we don't necessarily have the insight that Simon does, right? We more try to analyze and put our own unique spin on things. But when it comes to like hardcore facts, you know, and what to know, and as soon as it's available to be known, Simon Preston is really the place to go. So he's one of the people that really does it at a high level. So subscribe to Reggae Boys Commentary, people. Guaranteed, it's worth the subscription.
Alright, match time.
If each one of you guys, after you subscribe to Reggae Boys Commentary, after you guys subscribe to this or that sports, can share this video to at least 5 people. You know how many subscribers that will get us by the end of the day?
But to know, my people, from this or that Sports TV and Reggae Boys Commentary,
Yeah.
we're out.